Hi everybody. I wanted to let you know I'm not doing a regular video tutorial or flip through or anything this week. This is my desk. As you can see, my desk is piled up with stuff. My chair is piled up with stuff because I am in the process of moving things around in my studio, and I just have stuff everywhere, and things just have gotten a little bit out of control. So I am creating new stations and cleaning up as I go. So let me show you my new painting station. Hopefully I won't trip over my cat. But I've just started putting some things on the shelf, and I have more light coming in than I did before. And this is my light table, which is totally useless, and my chair that I use for my light table, which is also totally useless. So I have a good week ahead of me getting my studio back into shape. And obviously I'm not too embarrassed because I'm showing you this, but this gives you an idea of where I work. I was looking at past videos today and comments, and I found my first studio tour, which was back in June of 2020. Oh, and here's my bookmaking table. I know there's stuff on there to make hundreds of books, but no space to work. So I am going to be very busy this next week, or this week, putting my studio back together. I ordered some shelves from IKEA, the Calyx shelf set, and I've ordered some organizers to go in there. And so this is where I'm going to be, probably for many hours of every day this week, making some sense out of this creative chaos that I have created in my studio. So just to let you know, I am busy sorting and organizing and containing some of this chaos. And I have my little helper in here with me. Taco Bill. He's busy. Oh, I think I've taken his spot where he wanted his bed. Anyway, it's a beautiful day outside, and it's a little bit cool, but very pretty. Spring is coming, and I want to be ready. So this is where I'm working today, and I'll give you little updates as I make progress this week. And next week we'll be back on schedule with the Cracking Open Art Journal Alchemy adventure. Okay? Hope you're all well. Many blessings to you. Bye for now.